Previously we spoke about the temperature sensor, the capabilities, and what the risk reporter showed. Here we are showing a humidity sensor, a very similar type of shaft. It goes through a 3/8 inch hole into the duct. Similarly, a magnet holds it against the side of the duct. What is reported to the risk reporter from the humidity sensor is first of all the dry bulb temperature, in this case 77.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Second of all, a relative humidity percent, 52.1. You can see that all of these are reported in terms of sensor 1, sensor 1, and sensor 1. So 3 different results arrive from one wireless sensor. Those 2 are actual measurements. A calculated value is dew point, 56.9 degrees Fahrenheit. These can all be stored by pressing the S key as shown previously in the discussion about the temperature probe.